Yeah, what's good, cryptocurrency fans out there? Welcome back to the Everything Altcoin channel. Today, we got a banger of a video for you guys because I told you guys I'm about to go all in on AI agents, right? And I stayed true to this. I'm actually going in on a lot of different agents that I feel like have different opportunities, right? And the one we're going to talk about today, I believe, is probably going to be a huge opportunity. We already got into it very early and it's showing out pretty well for us right now. So before we get into all of that, I would like to ask you guys, subscribe to the channel if you guys haven't already. We're on the road to 20k subscribers. If you guys would like to help out with that, hit that red subscribe button. Don't forget to like the video, comment what you guys think about AI agents in the comment section down below. And while you guys are down there, you guys can hit that link to join the Discord to continue the crypto conversation we're having daily. And you guys can ask your questions on how the Patreon works, because we have been getting into some bangers private sale wise, and I have been calling out some bangers in that private sale channel, right? The play we're going to be talking about is I called out pretty early and it pretty much ran up quickly. I saw the vision and it did well. So check out that Patreon, right? And also check out my ebook on the essentials to mastering tokenomics. This will give you guys a huge edge for the rest of this bull market, because if you guys are able to understand tokenomics, you are able to pick up some great altcoins on the low. I've already got some reviews of people that saying it helped them. I think it could help you guys too, especially if you guys are some beginners. Check out that ebook and let's get right into the video, guys. So as I said, I am going heavy on AI agents. There's gonna be 3 platforms where you guys can get AI agents, and I'm going to cover them in probably the next video or so, right? First one we're going to be looking at is virtual protocols, because this is where I got some of my AI plays already, right? So virtual protocol is at 50 cents right now at a $500 million market cap. You guys already know we have been telling you guys about virtual protocol. This thing could hit $1 billion pretty soon, and I'll be very happy. But this video is not about virtual protocol. This video is about the AI agents that's going to be launching on virtual protocol. Now, well, not all of them. We're going to talk about specifically one today. As you guys can see, this is like, they call it your pump.fund for AI agents. There's 3 launch pads essentially for AI agents we're going to be covering in another video. But as you guys can see, there's a lot of different agents already up and running here, right? Some pretty good, some are scams, some aren't. You just got to be very cautious when it comes down to investing into these projects very early, especially if you're getting it on their virtualfund.com, which is essentially the area before they bond onto the actual platform, right? So you guys can see here, there's a bunch of AI agents, but the one we're going to really be talking about is Sequoia today. As you guys can see, is at a $26 million market cap, right? And is up about 81%. So before we hop into talking about Sequoia, I first have to cover another play that is similar to Sequoia that has been getting, well, today has been some crazy news for it. So if you guys don't know about A16Z, they actually do have a community. Well, somebody launched a token for them, AI16Z. It seemed like it was going to be the main token for them until the guy, I forget his name, is Shaw or something like that. Yeah, A16Z Shaw actually end up creating a actual token for Eliza and AI16Z. He did this just to make sure no one is going to be rug pulling the actual token, so he made an actual one that is backed by him and not backed by the community. So there's been a lot of things that was going on. One dumped and then automatically pumped again, and then the other 2 dumped. But it should be interesting to see what's going to happen with these tokens here. But AI16Z opened the doors for Sequoia, in my opinion. And as you guys can see, it came out about October 27 on Virtual's platform. People that sold over here, they are kicking themselves as of right now. People that sold over here are kicking themselves. I saw the actual vision, right? But as you guys can see, it had a crazy pump here. It is sitting at a $25 million market cap. AI16Z, I think got up to like 400 million or so, maybe 500 million market cap, and this thing is at a $25 million market cap, and we got in, well, I got in at a $2 million market cap. We had also some members that got in at like around a 900K market cap, as they was able to buy the dip on it, and then we're all sitting perfect right now on this thing right now, and it's looking like it's going to continue to go, right? So what is Sequoia? So Sequoia is created by Anand here. He has pretty much the best ticker on X as of right now, which is at AI, and he is a managing partner and a venture partner, right? So he already know how VCs work and things like that, and he's creating essentially a AI agent, a VC AI agent, essentially with the goal to essentially create the best performing on-chain venture capital agent, right? It is going to pretty much be invested in other agents and things like that. We are going to be covering exactly what he put out in his vision for Sequoia, right? So this guy here, he knows what he's doing. I'm following him. I made sure I need to know everything that is going on with Sequoia, as he's the reason pretty much why I went pretty deep onto Sequoia. And me already, you know, having the background of where I'm pretty much partnered with a lot of different VCs. I work with them, so I seen the vision with Sequoia, and I'm like, yeah, this thing could possibly go, right? And that is why I got into it. I missed AI 16Z, and I made sure I did not miss Sequoia here. So Anand did put out a tweet on his like what he has planned for Sequoia here, and I'm going to cover a few of the things that he has planned for Sequoia and highlight what he's been talking about. So here, many of these AI agents will be episodic and ephemeral, right? Some will need capital to get off the ground, many will die a quick breath, but let's not let capital be a blocker to get these AI agents off the ground, right? So essentially he will be you have to pitch your agent to Sequoia, and if it likes it, I guess, and all of that, it will decide to, like, you know, help you out with the capital and things like that. So the current VC asset class is not set up for investing in and supporting on-chain agents. Power, law, focus, outcomes, fund length and cycles, fund size, return profile, age of agent, quick decision making, assessment criteria, etc., etc. So let's disrupt ourselves before someone or something else does, right? So he also goes on to say virtual will become the de facto ecosystem for agents. I believe that. I believe that, and I'm happy about that, right? So to get launched and thrive, right? Full disclosure, he's an investor in virtuals as well. So this is why I believe that virtuals will be the leading AI agent platform. But there's two other ones we're going to talk about as well. Now, he also says the memes masking as AI agents, Sequoia is not interested in those, right? It's really interested in real projects with utility that lets you know meme is sometimes just a fad. It's not, people don't see the long-term vision in it, right? So Sequoia is semi-autonomous today. Sequoia is not very transparent today. Neither of these are or desirable steady state modes, right? And I want to correct both of them, right? So he essentially wants to make Sequoia more transparent, right? And he wants to make it a little bit more autonomous, right? I will detail in a later post the plans around transparency and open source, right? But for a starter, please refer to the light paper. He has a light paper on what Sequoia is looking to do and things like that, right? I am overseeing what Sequoia does today, but this is all in spirit of getting it to function in a deterministic fashion. So it wants to make it fully autonomous very soon, right? Now, Sequoia will be making its first investment very soon. This is what I've been looking forward to. I want to see what it's going to choose to invest into, because people, I'm sure there's been a lot of projects that has been pitching to Sequoia on this Telegram as the bot and things like that. So things could get pretty interesting for Sequoia. Like I said, if you guys don't know, AI 16Z did get to about a $400 million market cap. And with Sequoia sitting around a $26 million market cap, this thing has some room to grow, right? We did catch it on the pretty much the very good lows, right? So our X's will look a lot of different for those that decide to get into it as of right now. But if Sequoia is very successful in what it's looking to do, especially become the capital arm of Virtual Protocol, we can see Sequoia and Virtual Protocol go crazy. Well, Virtual Protocol is going to lead the way, of course, but Sequoia is going to be something pretty big, right? Something pretty big. So in this whole AI agent field, I am betting big on Sequoia, but there's some other ones I believe will have some good opportunity in this space as well. So I want to know what you guys think about Sequoia. Leave your thoughts in the comment section down below, and if you guys haven't subscribed already yet, please do so. We're on that road to 20k subscribers, and I'll check you guys later. Peace, YouTube.